Good morning to you students. My name is Vai Gautami. Today we are going to discussing about the topic is what is consideration and what are the essential elements of a consideration. The consideration word we already heard in first lesson. So what is the meaning of consideration, ma? The consideration word is derived from the Latin word quid pro quo. It means something in return. So according to section 2D Indian Contract Act 1872 explaining about the consideration, the every contract must and should need consideration. So without consideration the contract or may be cancelled. So that's why we like the consideration means no consideration, no contract. So when the consideration is available, automatically the contracts are successfully happen. So without consideration means without any profit. So at the time the contracts are maybe failured. Okay ma? So what is called consideration? The consideration means something in return. The law term English law is derived from quid pro quo. Okay. So what are the essential elements of a valid consideration? The essential elements of valid consideration are, the first point is consideration must be desire of the promisor. Desire of the promisor. So what they may be happen the contracts. So at the time the contracts are may be executed and completed. At the time the promisor maybe have desiredness to give promisee to the offer. So what they are earnings to profit, the profit must should be passes to desirableness to the promisor. The promisor and promisee both are involved in offer. So when they are both mingled and work together, when they got profits, so at the time they may be the promisor must and should have desirable to give the share to promisee. And the next essential element is the consideration may move promisor to promisee. Promisor to promisee. So what the happened in the result of consideration, that should be both are interacted to the contract. The every consideration we have in two parties like promisor and promisee. The promisor to move promisee to the offer. So what they are to share the profits, the profit may be give to the promisor to promisee. And the next point is consideration may be past, present, future. The consideration means the sharing of profit that may be already happened or happen or will happen. So what we have done the activities, before we can take advance the amount, that is the past consideration. And the present consideration, what the task is completed, we can collect, that is the present consideration. Today task is completed, but we can say we will give tomorrow or day after tomorrow. That consideration is a future consideration. So what the consideration, it may be happened past consideration means it is already happened, or present consideration it means continuously going on, and future consideration it may be future happen. And the next point is consideration must be real, not illusory or illegally or assumptible. So what they happen the contracts to perform, the contracts are sharing the profits, it must be reality, not a imagination. So what the offer may be offered to offeree passed, the amount consideration must be really, it is legally happened and it is not a impossible action. The consideration must be happened in reality and possible of action. Consideration absolutely valid. So when the contract are happened, at the time the contract of consideration must be valid. So without consideration since no contract will happen. So what are the contracts are happened? That is the first essential element, like we maintain some compulsory consideration. If we don't have any consideration, at the time it must be invalid. So that's why we can absolutely maintain the valid consideration. And consideration must be valuable in the eyes of law. Consideration must be valuable in the eyes of law. So what the happen of consideration? That must be legally provable for the legally. It should not be illegal. The consideration what the happened in the contract, that must be valuable to in the contract of eyes of law. It means it should be legally. If you have done any minor or any illegal portions, at the time that may be cancelled. So that's why we can maintain the consideration for every contract must be valuable in the eyes of law. Okay students, the consideration must be desire of the promisor, means the promisor should have the willingness to do for the promisee. And the next point is consideration may move promisor to promisee. So what they happen, the consideration it should be passed as promisor to promisee, offerer to offeree. And the consideration may be past or present or future. So what happened, the profit sharing, that may be already happened or will happen. It may be already received the result or after work the result or completion of result. That should be consideration may be past, already received. Present, so when you complete the task and after only you can take. Future sense, so if today we are completed task, maybe they can give next week or next month. That is a future consideration. The consideration must be real. So what happened, the consideration to the contract of profits amount, that must be possible to reality and not like a illegal or assumptionable. Consideration may be absolutely valid. So when the contracts are performing, at the time consideration have, it is a valid contract. It means no consideration sense, no contract. And the last point is consideration may be must and should valuable in the eyes of law. So what are the contracts are happened, at the time it is the consideration must be valuable. That means it is a legally applicable. Thank you so much students.